Hi everybody, Asong Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you my storage room that I'm talking about. So this is before and after the renovation. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you my storage room that I'm talking about. So this is before and after the renovation. First project that I do, my earnings from YouTube channel is this gate. The gate, the roofing, and it's also, I would like to say thank you also from the sponsor of the gate that I built, because it's quite expensive also to do that. And for now, I'm gonna show you the storage as to what we are going to do now. So come with me, guys. And then this is my storage room at the back of the house. And this is the roofing that I mentioned earlier, that my first project. So this is from my YouTube channel's earning, and of course, like I said, it's also, I have also a followers, my #1 fans in a YouTube channel that are spending a lot of money in this project. And also from my custom video that are there are followers that buying my videos. So anyway, this is my outfit today. It's my shoes. And yesterday I went to the salon yesterday. So okay, check it out, guys. I'm so excited to show you what I've done for a few weeks this time. So come with me, guys. So this is the pictures before, and I'm gonna show you after this one. So nga akong duha ka panday nangayo og kalo. Ko ni i-vlog. O pili Adidas man eh.
Salamat ha.
Original na. Adidas og Nike. Ay, kano? Sunglass na yung kulang. Kana bagay na mo blue. Kanindot ana oy.
Oh, grabe.
Grabe duta Ito mo balay. it overtime. So come with me, guys. Cha, 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 cha. So finally, this is the storage room that I've been busy for a few weeks for now. So it's just started like a first week of the month by February, and it's done within 3 weeks. So I'm so glad and grateful that I have this one. I was planning this long time ago to make a studio room for my vlogging area, and now it's finally done, and I only have to do my third project is my terrace, but that would be later on. I have to save more for that. So come with me, guys. I'm gonna show you. So this is the outcome of my storage room. So you can see the wall because I painted also new there, green, and that's also part of my renovation this time. And also this wall. This wall is also part of my renovation. So I'm also filming with this Canon camera. This is also from a gift from my subscribers. I have a camera person with me, so I can use the Canon myself while she's filming. Come with me. Finally, I'm gonna show you inside my storage room. So that's how it looks like. All complete with lights, window, door. Come with me, guys. So I don't really calculate how much I spend, but okay, let's say 100,000. So finally, we're entering the room. I'm gonna make video also while I'll do enter my room. Come here, guys. So this is our switch for outside and inside the house, the gate. So I have 3 switch here that the workers put it for me, including electricians. That's the spending about 150. So I have my office table here. Oh, finally, guys, I'm so relaxed. Ooh. Well, anyway, all of these items that I have now is from my YouTube channel. So it's not just about the YouTube itself, the channel, the monetization, but it's also from my earnings from some of my followers who are doing business with me. And then here it is, guys. Finally, hi. So I still need to attach an internet cable here. That's that one thing that I need to do. So I have the window, and you can see the ceiling is quite nice. It's better than my house. And you can see also that this is my shoe collections since I started my success. Charot. Since my channel is growing, so I only have not so much followers, but 4,000 followers. But when doing a channel, and if you're also putting business in there, it's not all about how many followers you have. If you want to earn, it's different than when you want to become popular and more views. If you have some sponsors, that makes you earn more. So that's what happened to my channel. I have a sponsor in my videos and in my channel. So it's not about like, okay, I have small followers and I don't earn. So if you want to do a channel, just keep on going and time will come for you too. So I call it success for my channel is because of what I achieve now. So I have my storage in the, I know I have my gate and the roofing there. It's for this all collections of shoes is from the sponsor. So thank you so much. I know you're watching. So this is well, so this is all, and the tiling, the treadmill is also from the earnings. Let's talk about my channel. So all of this one, the storage room, I spent about 150K or 100,000, including the electrician, the materials, the workers. Subscribers that I have are very nice. Also, you have to be careful when doing business in the channel because there are also scammers. And then I experienced that and I being blocked with my PayPal account 2 times already, and he tried to send money and want to pay me back for the very small amount, not knowing I earn more. Charot. Well, anyway, I'm just so very grateful for what I have accomplished for these years. Okay, so we're now here in my storage room. This is how it looks like now, and this is how it looks like before and the start of the video. So I started my YouTube channel 2019, and I'm just being patient with it until last year that I have one of my sponsor followers that are helping me out for my wants, my needs, and everything I do, like everything I have, like the shoes, is also from my sponsors. And when you have a channel, just keep on going with it. Time will come for you also. So I call it success. I only have few followers, not like 100,000 followers, but I achieve a lot in a short period of time. So I have this collection of shoes, then I have this storage room, which is I'm very grateful for it because I cannot manage it myself, and it's quite expensive to build this, and maybe it's not so much for the other people, but for me it's too much. Yeah, too much in a short period of time. Then I have my storage, my fencing there, and by my next project I'm gonna show you later on again because that makes me keep going on my vlogging because it inspires me to do more about my video. And then next project is I'm planning to do my terrace to renovate it. Then I have already a sponsor to help me for the building of it. So that would be all for now, I think. I would like to say thank you to all of my followers, my subscribers, of course. And thank you to all of my members, my customers for buying my videos and sponsoring my shoes and everything. So, more driving videos to come in my channel. Love you all. Bye!
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.